Good morning. My name is Charlot Magayi. I'm a 2021 hero. She said finalist, so I'm just correcting her. I'm from Kenya. I grew up in one of the largest slums in Nairobi. It's called Mukuru Clean Stoves, and was orphaned at a very young age. At 16, I ended up becoming a teenage mother, which meant I had to drop out of school to figure out a way to fend for my daughter. So I got a job selling charcoal. It was also the only fuel I could afford. My daughter and I kept suffering from respiratory tract infections, and when she turned 2, she suffered a severe burn injury caused by a traditional stove. Now this sparked my interest. I wanted to rewrite the script of possibility for people in my community. Across the world, there are about 3 billion people who rely on inefficient stoves, and this causes harmful effects on them, respiratory illnesses, lung cancer, and the works. It also takes the lives of 4 million people every single year. We're changing that at Mukuru Clean Stoves. We use recycled metal to manufacture improved cook stoves that enable families to reduce fuel cost, to burn fuel for longer, reducing radon, and to just protect their children from burns. Over the last 6 years, we have distributed 400,000 clean cook stoves across Western Kenya, enabling families, enabling families to make savings of almost $50 million in fuel consumption costs, and impacting the lives of women who distribute our stoves to the last mile. This improves their household income by $7 every single week. But that's not all. We're innovative, and in 2022, we won the Earthshot Prize. It came with $1 million and a question: what more could we do? Now, I'm a dreamer, and I believe that there's a privilege that comes with abundance, not that of abundance itself, but the privilege of being able to dream. So let me paint a picture. I'm in Nairobi, in my kitchen, with my daughter, who's 13 now. My kitchen is safer. I'm not afraid to cook with her in there anymore. And I read a report by the CDC, and it basically states that people are still catching malaria, even when they have access to mosquito nets. And they're arguing that they are catching malaria while they're cooking. And my daughter is like, oh my God, Mom, they're using your stoves and they're catching malaria. She tried to make it my problem. So then I had to create a solution for her. So I came up with a new idea to infuse pyrethrin, which is the most powerful insecticide in the world, and Kenya and Tanzania are the biggest producers, in a fuel, enabling families to protect themselves from malaria as they're cooking with a Mukuru Clean Stove. We've managed to do a lot over the last 6 years. We managed to get Prince William to make a burger on our stove, just saying. But more importantly, we've managed to educate the masses on the importance of using a better stove, even when you feel like it is not a priority. Because when you earn $40 to $100 monthly income, a $10 stove is a decision that you have to make over a period of several weeks. I guess the people in this room could really afford $10, but someone living in a rural area in Kenya who worries about the food that their daughter is gonna have for dinner, that's not a priority. It's not at the top of the list. Now, Mukuru Clean Stoves is setting up a sustainable energy campus in Kenya, 300,000 square foot. Like I said, I dream big. And what we're doing there is trying to prove that Africans can innovate really well and impact the lives of the people that we live amongst every single day. And so I'm standing here not to tell you how I have been able to lift myself out of poverty to provide a better life for my daughter, but to encourage you to keep innovating with Africa in mind, to keep dreaming and to keep following your dreams, and to look at the numbers on the screen and be like Charlotte and want to impact 2 million lives and create 107 green jobs, because I have done just that. Thank you.